Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to make your HP Compaq 17 faster. So first, go into the right bottom panel, open the battery settings, and in power mode, go into best performance. Now, energy saver, make sure that you disabled it. Then close it and go into the bottom gray panel, just right click on it and open Task Manager. Then Startup Apps, and if you have here some apps that you're not currently using as a startup app, then just click on it and disable. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.